viewers, this is copper pipe actually. This is a filter used in refrigerators. I'm basically a refrigerator mechanic, so I'm just cutting this for the battery. And this is a chunks of magnesium. I got it from my friend, and I'll let you know the source actually later. But after cutting this, I'll show you what has happened. So I cut this in halves, and we have a iron net here and super fine net over here actually. I'll show you after cutting that. I think I don't cut it, but we have a silica gel, actually silica gel inside this, and I am using this for my batteries. This is the best copper source I got. I have a pipe too, but this piece doesn't fit in that perfectly. So I was speaking about the smaller net, right? This is it, the finest net. In between the silica gel is there. So this is a straight tubing, copper tubing, and this fits perfectly in that. I'm sorry. Look at that. So anode cathode combination to make a battery, and with the help of hacksaw I just cut it down. I have two cutter, but everyone don't has it, so I use the hacksaw blades and hacksaw and some cutter to cut it out. So the next step is to make the magnesium sulfate potassium mixture with the potassium chloride salt in it to make the batteries. So I'll skip that part. Oh, this is magnesium sulfate directly cooking on this stove. I want to make it magnesium sulfate hydrous free, and I want to remove the water from the magnesium sulfate to make the battery. Now it's 5 minutes, actually 5 to 10 minutes, I didn't count it, but slightly burned from the sides, but still I'll just let it cool down, and then I can start making powders. So first I tried to just make it, but make it a dry battery, so my results are disappointing. I made a dry battery, but that doesn't work, so I just made a solution of the same material. This is a copper tube and the magnesium ingot, and the solution I made was really concentrated, the same magnesium sulfate, MgSO4, and potash alum and borax and something else. So this potassium chloride. I didn't have potassium chloride, I used a sodium chloride, that's a common salt. So let's watch it. I attached a multimeter, so as you can see it's showing 1.2 volts. It's a 200 reading. My 20 volts doesn't read. Yeah, it's reading, it's 1.14, right? And 200 milliamps, it's around 1 volt something. But the results are disappointing because I wanted to make it dry, and second thing, the battery is discharging too quickly. Look at that. So I think this is not a home project. It's too costly to make and really hard working. So let's see in another video what we can make the cheap and best, and till then, see you. Bye.